habits of excellence, habits of success, entrepreneurship, leadership and management, learning and development, and outlook, mindsets, attitudes. Hello world! Welcome to Ask Louie B. You ask the questions, I'll give the answers. Let's now jump to setting the agenda and expectations. Very quickly, say what we aim to get from this meeting is, what we will discuss about is, or our presentation will take about 10 minutes and we can spend the rest for Q&A. Remember that some of them may not really know why they are in the meeting. Maybe somebody invited them or sent them a meeting invite without proper explanation. This is Louie Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.